Okay, here's my phone. Somewhere in there. Here's the Ringtone app, which you can't read, but doesn't matter. I downloaded Meow. And there, sorry again, it's blurry, but doesn't matter. You know what I'm talking about. Okay, so now I'm going to plug my phone into my computer. I got to set the camera down so I can do that. Okay, and there it is, plugged in. My computer screen. Double click on iTunes. iTunes pops up. Just waiting for it to recognize my phone, which here it is. It says Philip. So I'm going to click on Philip. And at the top, it brings you the different things you can do, summary, info. I'm going to click on Apps. And then at the bottom, you should see this, Ringtones. Click on it, and then right beside it, I see what I downloaded was Meow. You might have more on yours. I know you did your wife one. So what you want to do is click on the Meow and drag it over to your desktop. So now I've got that on my desktop. After you do that, take it and drag it back in to the top of your iTunes. You can see where mine is. It says Movies, Music. I'm going to drop it in there. Okay? So then we go back up to your top here, Tones, and now I can see it already. Sync tones. Either you can do all tones, select tones. I only put my Meow in there, so I'm going to click on Meow, and then at the bottom of the iTunes screen, apply. Okay. And then sync. Okay. Now it's all synced up. I am going to exit my phone from iTunes, the computer. Close iTunes down. Here's my phone here. My system is going to take my phone from me now. Turn it on. And I think you got to go to Settings. Hold on here, we're complications. Settings. I can't see the font very well. Sounds. Ringtone. Is Ringtone on there? Yep. I don't know if you can see my phone here. I'm going to try to. But there, when I go into, I'm going to go back. What we did here was, I don't know if you saw it very well, so we're going to do it again. We went into Settings on your phone, which is very blurry, I'm sorry. Go to Ringtone, and then at the top of my list there is my Meow. Again, I apologize for the blurriness, but this is what we're. So all I need to do is click on that Meow, and you could set it to whatever ringtone you want. Hope that helps, Fred. Talk to you later.